Hey guys, Spencer here, and today's video I'm going to be showing you my hobby room. This is where I spend the majority of my time almost every day in here doing preparation for races for my cars, organizing, gluing tires, whatever it may be that involves RC cars. I got a lot of requests on people that wanted to see it, and have a lot of free time in the next few weeks. It's been pretty crazy to see what's going on in the world with the pandemic of something with this virus that's going on, but can't really go into too much information. YouTube will definitely shut it down. But anyways, having a lot of fun doing some RC cars and tinkering in the house. I've been watching a lot of film on YouTube, and should be getting some more content out to you guys in the next few weeks. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. So let's get right into the video. Alrighty, so we're officially in the room, and I'm going to be showing you guys the workbenches, the cars, the cabinets, what's in them, etc. So keep on watching. You guys will enjoy. It's pretty neat that over the years been able to do some organizing, figure out what I want in here, and that's been pretty awesome. So keep on watching. So as you can see here, this is my main desk that I have. I have my soldering iron over here in the corner. With the necessities that you need to use a soldering iron. I got my drill, calipers, cleaning stuff, got a fan over there, butter spray, brake cleaner, WD-40. And then over here I got my phone holder, I got my little parts tray from J Concepts, some diff stuff, more necessity stuff, and then my toolbox. I got everything I need right here in my toolbox. Then up above, I have my cabinets. We're gonna go through and open them up. So up there is where all the tire sauce, that stuff that I use, greases, scales right here, shock oil, emptier, Loctite oils. And then on the bottom shelf, I have my titanium screws, some gold screws, drill bits, shock tools, hammer, and pretty much everything else in there. Got a setup sheet that I write down stuff. In this cabinet I got more goof off stuff, body cleaner, Goo Gone, paint. I got some more drill bit stuff right here, Scotch-Brite. On the bottom shelf I got some brushes, some more tools, tire stuff in here. Close that one. And then Patriots right here, sticker. A good friend of mine got it for me. That's where I keep all my bags. The J Concepts car bag up top. Got some more bags right there, tire bags. I have so many of them because I do so much cleaning and stuff. And then over here, this is just more of a storage area. Old boxes, some bodies. Got Mayfield's old TLR body right there. And then I got some car kits, 8-scope kits, more rags. And then some of these drawers I haven't filled up yet, but here's a new F21 J Concepts rear 8-scale wing. And this bottom drawer that I have filled up is kind of some soldering stuff, fans, etc. Down here we got some new Team Associated B 6.2 kits, dirt car and a carpet car. I have some wings in here from JC, more wings down here, and then some 8-scale wings that I used to use. And then in this category right here, I pretty much organize my 10-scale tires and wheels and stuff inside. I keep all the 8-scale stuff outdoors because I typically do more 10-scale, and I'm always gluing up tires, getting stuff ready. So pretty much I have all the stuff in here that I need. Tires organized, wheels, as you can see. Stuff, some bags ready. Truck wheels, only got one. And then I have some stuff that's already glued, short course tires in here. Some old pit boards in the middle right here. Another old pit board. And then along with this side, I got some wings that I was cleaning up and stickering. This is the J Concepts F21 wing. My e-buggy that I was getting. These cars, actually I was getting ready for the icebreaker in Texas this weekend, and unfortunately wasn't able to go because of what's going on in the world. As you guys may know, sitting home doing nothing because I can't go out or self-quarantine or whatever you guys want to call it. But my cars are ready. I think I'm gonna go out this weekend and run some nitro somewhere by myself, Fair Farm or maybe Tony's track, depending on what the deal is with everyone. So pretty much got the cars all ready to go. The nitro buggy, prototype parts are on the car. Looking really forward to getting some more runs out there. Got the truggy out. Some fresh bodies from Paul when he cut out for me. And then over here is kind of where this table I typically use for taking apart my 8-scale cars and kind of laying out the parts, really kind of putting everything in order over there. I do most of my work behind me, and that's why I have that ultrasonic cleaner right here. As you can see, I have a wing in there now. Just so I can kind of, not get too messy on one bench. There are times where I have my workbench behind me loaded with parts and you can't even pretty much work in that area. So been using the bench behind me, and plus down below I have all my 8-scale parts that I put in the individual drawers, as you can see. And I do the same for my 10-scale cars on this side. The main workbench has my 10-scale parts underneath. This side's 4-wheel drive parts, and then these cabinets right here is where I keep my servos, ESC stuff in here. Have an old photo right there from back in the day. Got a J Concepts drawer with the accessories, some Shell and Avid parts in here, some T-Works stuff in here, and then this is kind of where I keep all my engine stuff. I got a bunch of engines that I've sent over to Adam to have break in on his machine, and just kind of taking care of business early on and making sure that I have my stuff prepared for the future events. Is something that I take a lot of pride in, and making sure it's really important to my program, and pretty much OCD when it comes to getting stuff done in time. So over here I got my radio bag. I got another radio bag over here. The new J Concept bags are pretty sweet. And in these drawers I have some just radio stuff, receivers, and then down below I have shock oil stuff, bottles, whatever it may be. Got some springs, shocks, parts tray. This is a little bit more of a kind of a junk drawer. Kind of got some Protec stuff in here. Maxima head, heater. And then this one I kind of got where my batteries are. I keep them in all, these ammo cases. Definitely you don't want to have a fire in the house, especially with all these batteries out. Other than the ones that are in my car, I kind of definitely don't want any issues, but I keep the majority ones that I get that I don't use in the contained ammo boxes. I definitely highly recommend doing that if you haven't. You can get them from the store, Amazon, whatever it may be. Turn you guys around. Kind of have some old plaques everywhere from different events. As you can see, I got some old photos, chassis protectors, bodies. As you can see, I was watching some Dirt Nitro Challenge film. Above we got some more plaques, trophies, my kicker speaker. I got first place in the E main of 4-wheel drive open at the Reedy race in 2013. 5th place in the junior class in 2013. Some more trophy stuff, box, some bodies, radios, some more trophies. Some more old events, as you can see, Arizona State Championship stuff, memorabilia, short course bodies, and then pretty much my cars that I've been running recently. These are my Desert Classic cars, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, short stadium truck, and then this is an old 4-wheel drive buggy from the Worlds. One of my old original B6s from a few years ago. It's the old B6 body, car stand, and one of my practice 2-wheel drive cars right there. And then another B74 4-wheel drive, carpet 4-wheel drive, and then another carpet 2-wheel drive. Got some radios right there. 7PXR has been working great. Some cleaner. So pretty much got everything I need to get the job done. I got a lot of memorabilia everywhere through the whole house. We'll have to do another house tour. But I just wanted to let you guys see what I'm working with here in the shop. I call it the hobby room. This is, like I said, where I put most of my time in my life. It's been an honor doing this for a living, as a job, racing professionally, doing RC car racing. Been tinkering a little bit with the YouTube stuff, so hopefully you guys have been enjoying the videos just as much as I do making them. And thanks again for tuning in. If you've liked the video, please like it, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks. Peace out.